In this tutorial I'm going to showcase how to bring an Inventor model in and export it out as an STL file for the 3D printer. So if you have your 3D model, open up an Inventor. You want to go into File, Export, Export as a CAD format, and make sure you save it as an STL file. That's the type of file you need to bring it out as for the 3D printer. And make sure you go to Options and ensure you have the right units for your component. That's very important. Click OK and click Save. Now you just have to save that to a USB and bring it to your relevant technician, and they can plug it into the 3D printer, make sure everything is efficient and correct, and print away.